Dear students, in this video we are going to continue exercise 12.1 of quadrilaterals. Question number 5. Find the number of sides of a polygon, the sum of whose interior angles is 720 degrees. So formula for sum of all interior angles is n minus 2 into 180 equals to 720. This 180 will come down below 720. So 0 0 is cancelled. 18 ones are 18 fours is 72. Now this minus 2 will become plus 2 on the other side. So the value of n is 6. Next, in question number 6, you have to find the same formula, and if the value of n is in whole number, then that polygon will be possible. If it comes in decimal, then the polygon is not possible. You have to same this same formula. Next is number 7. Find the measures of each interior angle of a regular hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. So you have to find the measure of each interior angle. The relation of each interior angle is 180 degrees minus each exterior angle. So this relation needs each exterior angle. Each exterior angle formula is n upon 360 degrees upon n. (360 upon n, and the value of n is 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 is 36 and 0. So this each exterior angle value 60 degrees we will use here. 180 minus 60 degrees gives you 120 degrees. This is the answer. Next is number 8. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon having 9 sides. So formula for each exterior angle is 360 degrees upon n. 360 upon 9. The value of n is 9. 9 ones are 9 fours are 36 and 0. So your answer is 40 degrees. Next is question number 9. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon, each of whose exterior angles measure 20 degrees. So formula for finding the number of sides is 360 degrees upon each exterior angle. The value of each exterior angle is given to you 20 degrees. So 0 0 is cancelled. 2 ones are 2 18s are. Your answer is 18 sides. Next is question number 10. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 160 degrees? So there is a relation of each interior angle and each exterior angle. That is, their sum must be 180 degree. So using that relation, we will find the value of each exterior angle first. The interior angle is given to you 160. The exterior angle will be 180 minus 160. The answer is 20 degrees. Now you have to find the value of number of sides. So the formula is this one: 360 upon each exterior angle. So 360 upon 20, you will get 18. The answer is 18 sides. Next, we will cover question number 12. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 25 degrees? So you have to find the value of n. Okay, it's 360 degrees upon each exterior angle. If the value of n is a whole number, then such a polygon is possible, otherwise it is not. So the value of each exterior angle is given to us 25 degrees. So we'll put here 25, 5 5 is 25, 5 7 is 35, 5 2 is 10. Now if you divide 72 by 5, you get 14 5 is 70 and 5 4 is 20. And it is 14.4 sides, which is not possible. So you'll write here, such a polygon is not possible as number of sides must be a whole number. Now let us start exercise 12.2. First question is, find the angles of a quadrilateral whose all angles are equal. So you know that quadrilateral has 4 angles, and when the question is saying that all angles are equal, so let each of the 4 angles be x degrees. And also you know that the sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So sum of these x will be 4x and the value of x will be 360 degrees upon 4, that is 90 degrees each. This is the answer. Next is, how many angles of a concave quadrilateral are greater than 180 degrees? So there is only one angle possible which may be more than 180 degrees. Suppose you are taking first angle as 40 degrees and 60 and 70, then fourth angle must be 190 degrees, that will be a reflex angle. Okay, and that is the greater than 180 degrees. So only one angle is possible, that is reflex, in a concave quadrilateral. Next, how many angles of a concave quadrilateral are greater than 90? So maximum 2 angles are possible. Suppose you have 120 degree, then 150 degree, then the other 2 angles will be 50 and 40, and the sum of those 4 angles will be 360 degrees. Next, question number 4. Is it possible that all angles of a quadrilateral are acute? Explain why. No, because sum of 4 acute angles cannot be 360 degrees. If you take 80 degrees 4 times, then it will be 320. Okay, that is an example. Next, number 5. The maximum number of angles in a quadrilateral can be obtuse. You have to find the maximum number of angles. So its answer is 3 angles. For example, 100 plus 100 plus 100. These 3 are the obtuse, and the fourth angle will be 60. So only 3 angles are possible in that case. Next is number 6. In a quadrilateral PQRS, angle P is equal to angle Q and angle R is equal to angle S. Also, angle P is double of angle R. So we have made a figure here where angle P is equal to angle R and angle S is equal to angle R as the condition is saying. Now P is double of R. So let us take it as X and the P will be double, that is 2x. And when this is equal to this, Q will also be 2x and R is equal to S, it will also be x. Now we know that this is a quadrilateral, so the angle sum will be 360 degrees. So 2x plus x gives you 360. 2 plus 2 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So 3x upon 360 and x is equal to 360 upon 6. 660 is 360 and so angle P and angle Q will be 2 into 60, that is 120 degree, and angle S and angle R, its value is x, so the answer is 60 degrees.